Hi there, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to get rid of the infamous Succubus and Incubus. Not only that, you're going to learn how to get rid of any possible energetic interference that you might be suffering from. Now, I understand that if this is one of the first time you're approaching this topic, there might be a lot of fear coming up for you. This is completely normal. But I also want you to know that you truly have nothing to fear. Absolutely nothing to fear. Because no being, no entity, no spirit, no demon in this world is as powerful as you think. Without you giving them power, they can do nothing. Absolutely nothing. And so today, through this step-by-step process, you will understand how immensely powerful you are. And you'll be able to get rid of any anti-attachments you might possibly have. Having said that, let's get started. Now, the first step in this process is to understand what your energy field is and how it works. Your energy field is an energetic representation of you. Your energy field is you. And just because it extends outside of you, it doesn't mean that it's not you as much as your body is you. Listen to this is very important. Just because your energy field extends outside of you, it doesn't mean that you don't have control over it as much as you have control over your body. It's the same thing. And so once an energetic parasite enters your energy field and attaches itself to you, it becomes one with you and with your body. Now, this might sound like a terrible thing, but in reality, it's a very, very good thing for you. Why? Because this is your space, your kingdom, your realm. You have absolute and total control over your body, right? You are God to the cells in your body. So what does this mean? It means that you have the same exact power over any being who enters your energy field. It means that as you move your body to make it do whatever you want it to do, so you raise your hands, you close your eyes, you make it do whatever you want it to do, the same goes for any being who enters your energy field. This means that as you command your body to move, you can command any being to get out of your energy field forever. And it is as simple as you deciding to close your eyes or raise your arm. It is that simple. It's instantaneous. And so the only thing you need to do is understand that you are 100% in charge of your body and of your energy field and of anything that happens in your energy field. You are 100% in control. This alone is extremely powerful, and it's all you need to get rid of any anti-attachments in this world. Command any entity attached to you with the same authority and, conviction that you command your body to move, and you will get rid of it 100% in an instant, just like that. Now, we can call this the first level of spiritual awareness. You want to go even deeper than that? Keep watching only if you want to know how immensely powerful you are. And so now we know what your energy field is and how it works. But why is that you have an energy field in the first place? Who are you? You are a fractal of Source. You're a fractal of God. You're a fractal of the divine. You're a fractal of spirit. You're a fractal of the universe. You're a fractal of whatever it is that you believe in. You're a fractal of it, not a fragment, okay? Pay attention that I didn't say fragment, because a fragment is just a tiny piece and it's incomplete. You're not incomplete. You are a fractal, which means you are a micro replica, an exact micro replica of God, of Source, of the universe, or whatever it is you believe in. What does this mean? It means that you have God's source, the universe, same powers and abilities. And what does God do? God decides, and so it is. So what does this mean? It means that you have absolute and total control over your energy field and over what's outside of your energy field. You have also absolute control over your reality. But this is another major topic that we will discuss in a future video. As for now, understand that as a fractal of God, as a fractal of Source, you have all the power in this world. And you don't need any religious figure, any spiritual figure, any crystal, any tool to get rid of anti-attachments. You only need you, because in your energy field, you are the one and only boss. In your energy field, you are God, and God's power is limitless. And so anything or anybody that sneaks into your energy field has no free will, because your energy field is your kingdom, is your realm. As a divine spark of God, the power of God resides within you. It's not out there, it's in here. And what's out there is just a projection of what's in here. This means that you truly have absolute and total control over anything. And in particular, in this case, you have total control over anything that happens in your energy field. And the only reason why you've been struggling so much to get rid of energetic parasites is because you have forgotten who you are. You have forgotten that the power of God is not out there, it's in here. And that the only thing you need to do is to embrace that power and decide you are free. I would highly, highly recommend you start connecting with your higher self on a daily basis. Your higher self is you on a much more elevated frequency. And the more you connect with it, the more you will remember who you are to the core, to your essence, and the easier it will get to take your power back. I have already made a video on the higher self, what it is, how to connect with it. And so if you would like to check it out, I'm going to link that down below. Now, if you've been struggling with dark beings messing with you and you've been trying to get rid of them, but nothing worked, this is because you were acting from a place of disempowerment. You were telling them to go away without truly knowing the power you have, without truly knowing that in reality, they have no choice. They have no free will. And the only reason why they didn't go away is because you thought they had the chance to say no. They had the chance to say, no, I don't want to leave. They don't. They have no free will. They only respond to you. They are only reflecting back to you your inner beliefs. And so if you don't truly believe what you say, if you don't truly believe that you have the power to send them away, then they will take advantage of that. They will trick you so that you will keep them with you. But now you know. So have no fear. Understand that they truly have no choice. They have no free will. And if you command them out, they are forced to get out because you said so. And now you might say, but they do this, they do that. They're very powerful. They can do so many things to me. They hurt me, etc., etc. Yeah, I'm not saying that they can do it, but they do that because you are giving them power, because they know that you don't know who you are. They know that you believe you have no power, and so they take that power from you. They do all these things, taking your power away from you. They do it with your energy, okay? It's your energy that they're using. Also, keep in mind that they're the one coming to you to take your energy because they need your energy. They need you. So what does this mean? It means that from whatever angle you look at this, it makes no difference. You are the one and only in a power position. And so once you understand who you are, once you truly start embodying your divine essence, then you truly need no other step to get rid of them. But I understand that many people who are just, getting started on this journey, they need more steps. They need more things to make sure that they're actually getting rid of these beings. And so this is why there is a second step in this process. And so the second step to get rid of anti-attachments is 1, revoke the consent you gave them, and 2, break all and any agreement that's in place. You need to understand that you're the one and only who let them in, okay? You gave them consent. You said, yes, get in, even though it was on a subconscious level. You did it. No one did it, okay? And so it's very important that you revoke that consent. Also, many of you might have made an agreement with this being many past lives ago. And so it's important that you also break any agreement that there might be in place at this time. But understand that this is more to convince yourself that, you are going to get rid of this being once and forever than to convince the entity. This is all about you. This is not about the entities. This is all about you and the power you think you have. If you think you have, infinite power, then you do. But if you think that you need to break agreements and revoke the consent, do this, do that, then you will need to do that to have any entity listen to you. And so that's why we also have this second step in the process. And to sum it all up, what you need to do is revoke the consent, break any agreement, and kick the being out. How do you do this? You simply use a statement that you must repeat out loud. It's very important that you repeat it out loud, at least at the beginning, okay? When you're just getting started with, taking your power back, etc. So the statement could be something like, I know that I've given you my consent, but now I revoke it. And I also break all and any agreement that I might have made with you in this life or from any past life. You are expelled now and forever. Boom, done. On this channel, I've also shared a guided entity clearing that you can watch, you can listen to over and over until the being will be gone. So I'm going to link that down below in case you might need more assistance in the process. And finally, the third and last step is very, very simple. Rinse and repeat. That's right. As I already said, if this is the first time for you hearing about all of this, and if you don't truly, understand the power you have, if you don't truly embody this immense power that you have, it won't be effective, okay? You won't be able to get rid of them that fast because you don't believe in yourself. You don't believe in the power you have. And so what I would highly recommend is to repeat the statement over and over and over again to convince yourself, okay? This is all about you. This is not about the beings. It's all about you. Listen to this. If you don't believe the words you say, the entities won't believe them either. They won't listen to you. They won't. They're only reflecting back to you your inner beliefs. So if you believe that you have no power, if you believe that you are a powerless victim, then they will take advantage of that, as I already said. You must believe that you are in charge. You must believe that you are immensely powerful because you are. You are. And so if you start using this statement and things seem to be getting worse and worse, don't give up, okay? Persist, persist, persist. Keep repeating this statement over and over out loud with as much conviction as you can. Keep listening to my guided clearing over and over until the entities will be gone. Do not give up. I know you can do this. You can do this 100%. I can assure you that. And so having said that, that's all for today. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please let me know if there is something else that you would like me to share. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye bye, beautiful soul.